Hello, this is Edward from Bricksmaven. This is part 23 of developing a one-page wellness website in Bricks. And in this video, we're going to look at the third solution pattern. In the previous video, we created the second one. That's what you're seeing in front of you. It has a slider in it, and it has a pseudo element on the background. And obviously our beautiful components here that we created. In this video, we're going to be looking at the third one. So I'm not going to take too long. We're just going to jump right in. So to show you the third version, this is the third version here. So this is what we're actually creating in this video. So let's get started. I'm going to jump right in. Pattern solution 3. Let's start. Set this to section. This is a pattern. Add. And this is a content. So I'm adding this to content, and I'm then just opening this up. I'm going to open this in Bricks because I may need some components from here. And if you watched when I created the components, you will notice that I can change. If I go to the solution item component, I can actually go in here and I can change the color of the icons, which is a good thing. But when it comes to the unordered list items, I can only change the color of the icon, but I cannot change the color of the icon wrapper. So I have to do something about that before I actually move forward. I wonder, I can change the color, so that means that I need to create a variation for the unordered list item. So I'm going to do that really fast. So we have two versions. Why? Because I have one with a secondary color, right? So I need to have two versions. So here is the base. I'm just gonna say this is a secondary. And this is primary. So on the secondary, we disable the class and we just set the secondary color. So there you go. So I go back, secondary, and it's changed. That's all I need to do. That's all we want. So that is fixed. Right here, I'll just put it back to primary. So our problem has been fixed. Now we can continue with the third solution. So we need to grab a pattern like we always do. Set this to content again. And for this one, you just scroll a little bit down. I think it was somewhere here. It's this. This is the one. Content 31. Okay, we have it right here. What we want to do now is immediately just rename this. So I need to copy the class name and just paste it here. Copy all the classes, TWS, and then solution 3. Okay, rename, save, and then refresh. Okay, so now we can actually start doing something. I'm going to remove the accent heading because we don't need it. I'm just going to be bringing in some elements again. We want to see this one here. Oh, wrong screen. I need to copy this heading, paste it in, and here again I'm just going to copy all the patterns that we need. And also the list. Copy and paste it after the text. And just go here and add secondary, and as last the secondary. Okay, so we have them all. And the icons, I just need to change the color from primary to secondary. And here, also here. Okay, So everything's changed now. So let me check what is the background. This is secondary ultralight. So we just need to add ultralight on the container. What is this, the section? The section, okay. So this should be, yeah, ultralight. And the heading, I need to create a special heading here. So this is solution. Maybe I should just say secondary heading. We're just going to create a style for the secondary heading so I can apply it everywhere we need it. So this is, no, this has to be secondary. Secondary, like 7 dark, yeah. Okay, so I inserted that in. I have the content. I need to increase the gap. I think I'll put it at like 8 or something. So this is half of it, this is half of it, and then it's set to 500, okay. Okay. Could be a bit smaller. Maybe I should add a padding to it. So this is, so, oh wait, everything's added to the intro. Oh wow. Okay, you know what, we'll just leave it this way. Let's see if this goes. Okay, set up like this. I'll set this to grid gap. I think it should stack earlier. Should stack earlier. This should be set to -1. The media should be set to -1, so it's on top. This should go away, and the media, I think the position absolute is turned off here, so yeah, everything's turned off here. I'm going to remove all this stuff. Transform, I'll take it all off. I do like the overlapping. I like it overlapping there, but I think I'll still need to change it. So yeah, I need to take it off. So this should just be 100%. This should be relative or static. I'll set this so that I'll remove that. Let me see all the settings I put here. And also transform. Okay, so the transform should be just set to 0. And the grid gap should be put on the tablet. Okay, so it just scales down, and it's good. Okay, I'm going to grab the image on the solution. There's this one. There we go. There is just one caveat though. It's something that I need to apply, and that is the following. I'm going to bring in another section here, both on the top and actually on the bottom. So I need to go to my template and let's see which one is on top. That is this one. So I'm gonna just bring this in and set it to the top. So we actually need more space here. So I need to do the following. So how do I do this again? Just thinking this through. I need to target the this is a sibling, right? So this is sections. So I need to target this section so that I can increase the bottom padding when this section is inserted. So if I remember, I've done this before in the past, but I'm just trying to see what I did. I used a what was that called again? So you have like adjacent selector. Wait, let me try something out here. Because I can actually make sure that the bottom padding of the top section is enlarged because we have this overlapping image and we don't want it to be touching the content, so we can create more spacing here only when this section is added. And we can also create more spacing when this section is added on the bottom. So I'm going to use a code element. So let's see. So if I was to say, so section, and then I'm using the adjacent sibling selector. So this is TWS, and what's it called? Solution 3. Solution 3. The reason why I'm using this section is because this is a section. The HTML tag is a section, this is a section, and beneath is also a section. So let's try this. Let's see what happens. So I say border 10 pixels solid red. Oh, I need to execute the code. Okay, as you can see, it's selecting my pattern, but I want to select the above. So I can try has. So let's try has. Okay, see, now it selects the top. Okay, so we're almost there. So now I want to say padding inline end, and I'm gonna use the section spacing here, section space Excel padding inline end section space Excel. Is already Excel. Wait, to Excel. What? Oh, sorry, that's inline. Yes. Okay, so this is what I wanted. So I'm actually affecting the above section. So only when this pattern is in play, it creates more space for itself. Same thing that we have here in Figma, right? See, there's more space. There's also more space. So I will do the same thing for the pattern beneath. And to do that, I just need to use the declaration I just used just now. So I'm gonna copy this, and we're not using has this time. We're just using our own class plus section because we want to style the section beneath, and this should be set to start. So if I add a section beneath, I'm going to duplicate the section and add it beneath the solution section. And this is what I mean. This is what I mean. You see the space? This is a nice way of just giving, if you ever have like an overlapping image, you can give it more space on the top and also on the bottom. And the way you do that is by using the has pseudo class and just using the adjacent sibling. Obviously, we're in combination with the adjacent sibling, we're getting this result. So this is how we do it. So now I can just remove these, and then I'm certain that once you add a section above or below, it will work very well. So that's basically it. That was actually the last thing that I need to do. I think everything is pretty much okay. So we're basically done here, and we did it in 15 minutes. So this was the last solution section. Hope you guys like this one. I'm gonna save it. By the way, what should I call this? This is I need to give it a name because I just don't know what to call it. Like it's not an offset thing. It's just add more top and bottom padding. I don't know what to call this. I'll just leave it for code now. I need to come up with a name. I don't know how I would call this. Anyways, I don't want to spend more time on this. This one is done. So let's just hop back to Figma, see what we're doing next. So the next one is the guided section. So we're building this one. So this is going to be a component that we need to build out. The component is here. It has different orientations. And there are also some other healing stuff it has that I need to create. Because believe it or not, this component is also this. And it's also this. So it has different modes that I need to create. So this one is also going to be very interesting to do. Hope you guys are just be on the lookout for it. I need your thoughts. I need to know what you think of this video. Like the video, share it, and also leave a comment behind. Let me know what you think, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye bye.